Bishot in seconds, say what matters. Intelligence sources have reported a significant breakthrough in a counter-terror investigation, confirming that in 2022, Muzmil, Adil and another accused, Muzaffar Ahmad, traveled to Turkey under the direction of a man named Okasa, who is linked to the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, TTP. This confirmation is considered highly significant as it exposes the deeper international dimensions of terror recruitment, training and coordination. According to investigators, the trip was not casual but part of a well-planned assignment. The three accused reportedly attended meetings facilitated by overseas terror handlers to discuss financing, logistics and operational planning for future attacks. Turkey appeared to have been chosen deliberately. A country where cross-border radical elements can blend in easily and meet without raising suspicion. Officials further believe that the financial support for the travel and stay was routed through covert channels, including underground cash networks and cryptocurrency transactions. Following this revelation, agencies have intensified digital forensic analysis involving phone records, encrypted chat applications, video call logs, and email trails of the accused. Emerging evidence suggests that their network may extend beyond Okasa and could involve individuals from multiple extremist organizations operating in different countries. Investigators are evaluating whether the three men had formulated attack strategies for India or any other targeted region during their stay. Security analysts warn that this case represents a growing threat pattern where terror groups now use international hubs and digital tools to expand their reach while staying off the radar. The collaboration between domestic sleeper cells and foreign handlers increases operational complexity for security agencies. As the investigation progresses, more arrests, international coordination, and extradition requests are expected. Intelligence officials stress that neutralizing such transnational terror channels is essential to safeguarding long-term national and regional security. Source: Reuters. Think business, think Bishot. Tap to subscribe.